Throughout the country and across the globe, our infrastructure is continuously aging and degrading with constant exposure to various weather conditions and corrosive materials, making on-site maintenance and refurbishment necessary, and in many cases, long overdue.
Refineries, power plants, offshore oil platforms, mines, bridges. It's important to be able to repair and maintain these kinds of structures because it's much more cost-effective than tearing them down and replacing them.
For OEMs and fabricators, large parts are only getting bigger, making it much more difficult to use stationary machining when manufacturing large parts.
If you have a part that's so big that it has to come in on a barge or a ship or a train to its location, when it needs to be repaired, that same process would have to follow. They have to get permits to travel across highways. They have to close everything down. They have to go around bridges, overpasses. I mean, there's a major cost through labor, transportation, and just time of having something down long enough that you can send it into a machine shop somewhere. And quite honestly, there are fewer and fewer places that can repair big, giant equipment.
Climax is the leading global manufacturer of portable machining, welding, and valve testing tools, bringing the machine shop to the job site.
Climax invented this industry 53 years ago. We were the first company to make a portable machine tool. It was actually for the logging industry right here in Oregon. And since then, we've grown to become a global company that provides a wide variety of machine tools everywhere in the world. And what's very important at Climax is we're not successful until the customer is successful at their task. So we're not here to sell you a machine. We're here to sell you a solution. We provide the machine, the training, the startup and commissioning service. We do custom machine designs. We have tech support, spare parts, everything you need to be successful as a customer. And so we are successful when the customer is ultimately successful at their job.
Mission-critical machining, welding, or valve testing projects can be performed on location, which are designed to reduce downtime and increase productivity for users and operators.
We can basically get there and get the machine fixed, machined, repaired faster than they can get it out of the plant and shipped to a machine shop. The part could weigh a million pounds. It's just not like you can pull it out, set it on a truck and send it in. So, and a lot of times that's not even an option. The machine's basically built permanently or in a sense where you can't get to it. You're talking weeks and months to just get it out, to get it to a machine shop to repair it. Well, we can get in and out in just a few days and get the company back up and running.
Leading the industry in safety, Climax's hands-free technology allows operators to remotely control and feed the machine, keeping workers away from rotating parts.
Well, safety is our #1 priority. We have to have the operator in mind when we design the machine and when we set up the safety features for that machine. We try to always keep the operator's hands away from anything rotating. Our training program is designed to make you as efficient as possible. If you have to sit there and figure out all the buttons and all the knobs and try to decide what does what, you're losing time. Time's money. If you come in for a training, we show you all the tips and tricks of the industry that we've been doing for years, and gives us a chance to cover all the safety features, the things that you watch for.
So an auto bore welder is a machine that applies weld metal to the inside of a bore, to the inside of an opening. And the ability to both subtract and add metal the way you need to allows you to return virtually any workpiece to its original geometry. Climax is the pioneer in auto bore welding. We own a company called BoreTech that we acquired several years ago, and BoreTech was really the pioneer and industry leader in auto bore welding systems. And now as part of Climax, we've continued to invest in research and development for auto bore welding, making better products that can do more, that are safer to use and are easier to use for the customers.
Climax has now adapted portable technology to advanced valve testing equipment.
Climax owns a business called Calder, and Calder specializes in advanced valve repair and test systems. The turnaround tester is a new-to-the-world concept where you can take the valve tester and put it in the back of a standard pickup truck and take the tester out into the field and test valves in the field. Some of these oil fields are vast, right? They stretch on forever. So to be able to take the valve tester out into the field and test all those valves out there, that's extremely convenient for the end user. And you can do virtually any kind of test out there that you could do back in the lab.
In addition, Climax works with customers to design portable machining, welding, and valve test technology that is specific to their application.
We have a whole building full of excellent engineers who've been doing portable machine tools and valve testing machines for a very long time, who listen to the customer, who are close to the customer, who are able to do custom or bespoke machines that can do very complex and sophisticated things that can't be done any other way. In the last 5 years, we've launched more than 40 new products into the market, all of which have been very successful with our customers. We've expanded and grown globally now to cover every industrialized and industrializing country in the world. So you can now buy Climax equipment in more places, you can rent it in more places, you can get training and service and tech support everywhere in the world. We've been #1 in this industry for 53 years. I always like to say, you know, we compete with our products, but we win with our people. Climax has the best product portfolio in the space by far, but what really makes this company special is the people behind those products, the people who design those products, build them, test them, and take care of those customers out in the field.